Hello friends, I am in Karwar. We are at the Warship Museum. INS Kadamba is India's biggest naval base. It is also known as Project Seabird. Let's go inside the INS chapel with me. This museum was built in 2005. The INS Chapel was a missile port that served in the Indian Navy from 1969 to 2006. It was an active warship and the star of naval warfare during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. And this is the war. It was decommissioned in 2006 and then converted into a museum in Karwar. It offers visitors a chance to get up close and personal with a real warship. What an outstanding view! And we can see so many birds here.